Okay, here is a tutorial on how to add and subtract unlike fractions, okay? So what are unlike fractions? And as you can see here, unlike fractions have different denominators, okay? Different denominators. So you need to make the denominators the same first. Okay, so when this becomes the same, they are now going to be like fractions, and like fractions are very easy to add and subtract. Okay, so let's start. So you can see I just copy this and make it into a column form. Okay, so I have 5 over 7 and 2 over 5. Now, what is a common least common multiple of 7 and 5? See, it says here, use LCM to find a common denominator. Okay, so 7 and 5, the common denominator we can use is 35. Okay, so what did I multiply to 7 to get 35? That means I multiplied 7 by 5. And what I do to the denominator, I need to do to the numerator. Okay? So 7 times 5 is 35. And so the numerator now is 25. 5 times 5. Okay? So what did I multiply by 5 to get 35? I multiplied it by 7. So that means I have to multiply the numerator by 7 as well. So that's how I end up with 14. So now what do you have? You have like fractions already because the denominator is the same. So this is now equal to, okay, keep the denominator, 35. You do not add the denominator, okay? The denominator stays the same. You only add the numerator. Okay, so what is the numerator? 25 plus 14. So it's 39. Okay? And now, look at that. It's an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we have to convert into a mixed number. How do we do that? So I just divide. 39 divided by 35. 1 times 35 is 35. 4. So remember the order? Okay, the order is whole number, numerator, denominator. Okay, this never changes. Okay, so let's put it together. The answer now is 1 and 4 over 35. Okay, so whole number there, numerator, and denominator. Okay, that's it. So let's do the first number here. Okay, so 11 over 12 plus 2 over 3. Okay, so let's look for the least common multiple of 3 and 12. And for this one, we can use the ladder method again. So 3 and 12. Okay, so 3 is a factor of 12. So I can divide. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And as you know, with the ladder method, to find the least common multiple, all you need to do is to multiply everything outside the ladder. Okay, so the least common multiple of 3 and 12 would be 4 times 1 times 3, which will give you 12. Okay, so 12 and 12. Now, what did you multiply 12 by to get 12? I multiplied it by 1. So I do the same thing for the numerator. So this one, what did I do to 3 to get 12? I multiply by 4. So I need to do the same thing with the numerator. And now it becomes 8 over 12. Okay? So again, let's put that together. The denominator is 12. You do not add the denominator. You just copy it. Okay? See, 12, 12. What you do add is the numerator, 11 plus 8. So that gives you 19 over 12. Now, once again, improper fractions need to be converted to mixed numbers. What do I do? Okay, let me just move this, resize, and just move this over here. Okay, so what do? I take this and I divide. 19 divided by 12. So 1 times 12 is 12, 7. So remember, how do we assemble this? Okay, whole number, numerator, denominator. Okay, so let's put it together. Whole number, numerator, denominator. Okay, just to be sure. Whole number, there you go. There's the whole number. Numerator, denominator. The denominator never changes. See? 12, 12. Okay, so your classwork to be submitted today are both the adding and subtracting like fractions and adding and subtracting unlike fractions, the last three. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped. Bye-bye.